Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can stop files from going to OneDrive. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, click on the OneDrive icon located on the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If you can't find it, simply click on this arrow icon and all of the hidden icons will appear. Inside it, click on the OneDrive icon and a menu will open up. Here, select the gear cog icon at top right corner of your screen and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside Settings, turn these two features off, and if they aren't, make sure to do so. Once done, click on the Manage Backup button at the top and turn off any feature that is turned on. After this, all of the syncing will be removed and your files won't get uploaded to OneDrive. But if you aren't satisfied, you can also try disconnecting OneDrive completely. For that, click on the Account tab at the left side of your screen and then click on the Unlink this PC embed. That's how you can stop files from going to OneDrive. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.